Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make as much as $1,000 per week copy and pasting short videos on Pinterest consistently. Now, you don't need to have a website, or you don't even need to make these videos yourself for you to be able to make money using this strategy I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, this strategy works worldwide and you don't need to be an expert before you can implement it for yourself. So I highly recommend my viewers, for you to be able to implement this strategy and get results from using this strategy, you need to watch this video right to the end and don't skip any part, because that is the only way you can get the full value and learn how to use this strategy for yourself. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗲𝗱𝗱𝗧 and today I'm going to be your guide. On our channel, we share videos on digital marketing, web design, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and how to help you make money online in general. So if you find value in this video you're watching today, please, I highly recommend you just take 1 second of your time to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends. So it will enable you to recommend our videos very well and also enable us to reach more people online. Okay, so let's get straight into the video for today. Okay, so what you need to do first is to come to TikTok. Now, once you're on TikTok, what you need to do is to pick a niche. Now, this strategy works for any niche out there. So you can implement the same strategy for any niche at all, but just pick a niche here. And in our example, we're going to pick the health and fitness niche here. Okay, so now we're going to be going with the health and fitness niche. Now, what you need to do on TikTok now is to find videos around that niche. Like you always know, if you've been watching my video for a long time now, I always recommend my viewers, if you want to make money online, you need to be ready to offer value to your audience. So don't just base your mindset on the commissions alone. You need to be able to exchange value, because that is the only way you can make money online. Okay, so once you come on TikTok here, you need to find valuable videos that other creators has already created for you. You just need to find those videos around that niche which you're focusing on, and in our case, it is the health and fitness niche. Now, what you need to do is to come to this search box and type weight loss. So weight loss is one of the examples in that niche now. Okay, so once the page loads, now you can see so many videos here. I just want you to notice something here. You can see how many views this video, this simple short video is getting. You can see this one here, 20.7 million. You can see 1.1 million views. Just a video that is even less than maybe sometimes 5 seconds or 9 seconds or 10 seconds in some instance. Okay, but now we're not, bothered with all that. What we want to do here is we found the video we want to use, to upload on Pinterest. This is what we need to do. We need to just click on any of the video. Any of the video can serve. You can actually watch the video to see what the video is all about, but you can just select any of them here. So far is in that, that category, which is weight loss, and it is in the health and fitness niche. So just click on this one here. So you can watch the video to see if the video is relevant for you. But in this case, I'll just leave it like that. Then all you have to do is just click on this copy link here button. So to copy the link. Okay. So once this site load, you can see the site here, says SS tick here. So just come .io, you can see the site here. Let me just highlight it very well. Now you can see the site here. So just come to this website now. Now, once you're on this website, just paste that link you copied from TikTok, the video link here, then click on this download button. So it's going to convert the video so that you can be able to download the video. Once you see this page, all you have to do is to click on this one which says without watermark. So just click on it here. Then I'll just click on this start download button here to download the video. Okay, you can see the download has started here. So just wait for it to download the video. If you're finding value so far in this video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like the video if you've not done so far. Okay, so our video has been downloaded completely. Now, the next step you need to is to come to a platform called clickbank. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to use clickbank. You can use any affiliate network out there. You can use like, MaxWeb, Digistore24, BuyGoods, and so on and so forth. So you can use any of them if clickbank is not available in your country. Please just go to those marketplaces and find an offer in the niche which you're, creating the video, which is the video you downloaded from TikTok. Find an offer in that niche that you can use to, make money using this strategy. I'm going to show you if you still stick to the end of this video. Okay. So here, if you don't have a ClickBank account, click on the start here button to create a new account. If you have a ClickBank account, click on the login button here. Okay. So once you do that, all you have to do is to click on this marketplace. So it will bring you to this page now. On this page, you can see so many categories here, or you can see through this area here. Now, what you're interested in is to find an offer. To find an offer here, once you come to this market, you need to ask yourself, what is the niche your video is all about? That's the niche you're focusing on. Okay, so in our case, it is health and fitness. And on clickbank here, there are so many health and fitness products that are popular here. Like as you can see, this outplay offer here. So I don't want to go far here. You can pick any of them. As you can see here, you can earn up to $140 per conversion when somebody clicks on your link and buy this product, which is very easy if you follow the step I'm going to show you in this video. Now, I'll click on this promote button here, then click on create hop link here. So next is to copy the link. So this is your affiliate link. This is the link you must put on your traffic source that somebody is going to click, and when they buy the offer, you're going to earn commissions in your clickbank or any other affiliate network account you're using out there. So once you do this, then you come to this website called 𝗢𝘂𝗿. So once you come to 𝗢𝘂𝗿, you scroll down, then you paste your link here. Then you click on shorten here so that we can shorten this link so it will look more friendly. So this is the shorten link here. I'll just copy this link. Now you can save this link on Notepad for the meantime because we're going to use this link now. Because this is the link that is going to earn us that $1,000 per week. So this is the link here. Okay, I'll just paste the link here. So this is the link now. Now the next step you need to take is to come to Pinterest. So come to Pinterest here, then I'll just click on this home feed. So just click on the home feed button there. So if you don't have a Pinterest account, this is an opportunity for you to create a new Pinterest account. You just need your Gmail to be able to create a new Pinterest account. Okay, so once we come on Pinterest here, now the next step you need to take is to click on this create here. Just highlight this create and click on it. Now you need to click on this one which says create ideal pin. So just click on it. Now it will bring you to this page. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so once this page loads, all you have to do is to just click on create new here. Then upload that video which you downloaded from TikTok. Okay, now you can see the video here. So I'll just click on okay here. Okay, so here it's just showing us this two here. I'll just click on done. So the next step now you need to take is to just put your title here. You can say anything. You can just write anything here with those, but make it relevant to your video. Now it's actually to put a board here. Okay, so if you know Pinterest works like a board. So a board simply means it's just like a wardrobe. You have so many compartments where you can put your clothes, you can put your shoes in another one, you can put your jeans in a separate compartment altogether. So it's just the same with Pinterest. So if you have videos, you can put your videos in one board. If you have images, you can put it in another board just to organize things very well. So you can create a new board here. Maybe this board will be weight loss. Let's just call it weight loss. Then let's just put create board. So just leave it as it is like that and just click on create here. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to put your tags. So just add some tags here related to what you want to do. As you can see, weight loss, you can see weight loss. So you can just add these tags here. So to help your SEO on Pinterest. So just put as many as you want here. I think up to 10 there. So just put there. Now for the description, you can just add a note here. You can say check. Okay, so just do something like this. Because what we are doing is there's a way the ideal pin do display on your mobile phone. It's just like, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, how it is. So what you do now is you're referring them, when they check your description, you're referring them to your profile bio where you're going to add your affiliate link, the one you copy from clickbank. So once you're done with all this, we'll check out this. You don't need any other thing. Next step is to click on your publish button to publish this video and make it go live on Pinterest. Now, the next step you need to take now is to come back to your profile. For some of you, it might be your new account. You just created the account newly on Pinterest. So just come to this profile, then click on the profile icon here. Then you'll be brought to this page. Then click on this edit profile here. You can change the image. You can put a more, better image here to help you very well. Okay, then you put the name of your Pinterest account. You can, if you have a business name, you can just put it here. Then for the about here, so this about is very useful. You need to add a very catchy call to action here. You can see what I add here, but you can just spend your time to add yours here. Then you can leave this pronouns here. Then for websites here, where actually for website, you don't have a website, but you have your affiliate link, and the affiliate link links to a website, which is the vendor website for that offer which you're trying to promote, which is the output offer in this example. So you just have to put that affiliate with the one you shorten for 𝗢𝘂𝗿 and you saved on Notepad, copy it and paste it here. Then for your username, you can select anything you want here. You can put anything you want there. And once you've made your changes, then you click on the save button. So this is how it is now. So when somebody comes to your Pinterest account, like they watch your ID pin, the one you uploaded on Pinterest, then they come to your profile, they click on this link here. So what's going to happen? Now they will be redirected to the offer. Now you can see the homepage of the offer. And if they are interested in this offer, they can click on the order now to order this item. You can see when they buy this thing now, this product now, you're going to earn sweet commission. So this is how you can make $1,000 per week just copy pasting videos on Pinterest that you didn't even create. Now, I want to advise you, for this strategy to work very well for you, you can't just upload one video, two video, three video and expect to see thousands of dollars in commission on your ClickBank or any other affiliate network you're using out there. You know, it doesn't happen like that. You need to be consistent. You can see the videos, you're not creating the video, you're just downloading the video from TikTok. So since you're not creating the video, at least you have enough time. So just spend your time. You can download up to like 10 to 15 a day. You know, upload it back on your Pinterest account. Make sure you optimize the video very well, which is your SEO there, your tags and everything, your title. Upload it on Pinterest and just see how your traffic will start going up, because Pinterest, you know, is a very good traffic source. And the traffic from Pinterest is mostly tier 1 countries and women, exactly like women. The demographics there on Pinterest is like ladies compared to men. So, and you know, ladies, they convert very well for these kinds of offers. So make sure you're consistent with this, you know, this strategy. Do this thing every single day. And within a month or within even 1 week or two, so if you're going to start seeing results from using this strategy. So that is the advice I just want to give you. So you have this in mind when implementing this strategy. So if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start making money online, check out this link in my description which says Get Blueprint. Click on the link and you'll be brought to my landing page. On my landing page here, just click on this button here and enter your email address here. Then I'm going to send you a free video that is going to show you how to start this online business that has been responsible for generating me thousands of dollars online in commission. Now, you don't have to create the product. You don't have to answer customer service. You don't have to even ship the product itself. All you have to do is just market this product that people are already searching for online to buy right now and earn sweet commission when you do all that this video is going to show you. Okay, so if you found value in this video so far, don't forget, smash this subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends so it will enable us grow on YouTube and for YouTube to also recommend our videos very well. But before you go, please check out any of these videos that is appearing up here so you can learn more money making strategy on how you can make more money online. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in one of our other videos.